Hi, this is James with Alabama Construction Pros, and today we'll be talking about how long it takes to complete a bathroom remodel. It just depends on what type of bathroom that you're going to be completing. So if we're not counting the design phase, if you're talking about a hall bathroom, it typically takes about 1 month to complete a hall bathroom. If you're talking about just a master bathroom, it typically takes about 1.5 to 2 months to complete a typical master bathroom. Depending on if it's a huge master bathroom, very complex showers, you have to order a shower door. Shower doors are a special case because when you have a shower door, the shower cannot be measured or even ordered until the towel is laid down. So in a master's bathroom like this, the shower could delay it, but we can complete that bathroom for you and just come back and do the shower later. But in general, a master bathroom takes about 1.5 to 2 months. Your hall bathroom takes about a month. Now, if you're going to include that design phase, you can add about a month on to both of those. So your design for your hall bathroom may take a month, and then the construction may take a month. Give or take. Sometimes it could be a little bit more faster. It could be a little bit faster depending on if you, on top of picking out all your finishes and selections and everything like that, then it may go a little bit faster. But we typically like to say it takes about a month to do the design for your hall bathroom, and about another month, 1.5 to a month to do your design for your master bathroom. That's kind of the timeline on how long it takes to complete a hall bathroom, and also how long it takes to complete a master bathroom. I hope this is helpful. All right, thank you.